Hey, this is Cliff Holmes from Holmes Property Firm. Here's a tip that will help you find a real estate agent if you don't already have one. What you can do is you can go to open houses in your local area. Preferably, you want to go to open houses with homes that are similar to yours. This will allow you to meet the real estate agent that is selling that house. You'll get an idea of their demeanor. You'll get an idea of their rapport with potential buyers. You get a good understanding of their personality because this is the person that could eventually be selling your house. So you want to make sure that he or she comes off well to any potential buyers. This should not be the only method that you use, but it is one of many things that you can do to identify a real estate agent. This will give you an understanding of different homes in your market. You get to see what other buyers are looking for because the homes that are on the market now could potentially be your competition still when you end up listing your house. This should not be the only thing that you do when looking for a real estate agent. It will be one of many other things, like talking to previous clients, doing some research online, and things like that. This will give you some good, although brief, face-to-face time with a potential real estate agent. In order to find open houses in your area, you can go to websites like Zillow or Realtor.com. You can also check out classifieds on Facebook or Craigslist. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. You can also head over to homespropertyfirm.com where there's a lot more information about all things related to real estate.